Hello everyone. Today in this class I explain you questions based on profit and loss. First just see the formulas here. Here if CP is greater than SP, then loss is equal to CP minus SP. So the loss percent, we can find loss upon CP into 100. And if CP is smaller than SP, then profit is equal to SP minus CP. So the profit percent is equivalent to profit upon CP into 100. Okay, these are the two formula which we use here. Rest of the formula I explain you later on. So now come to the topic. A publisher made books for rupees 5,000 and sold them for rupees 5,500. Find his profit or loss percent. Okay, the question is this one. So what we do here? Here we find out the cost price. So the cost price is rupees 5,000 and sold them for rupees means selling price. Selling price is given to you, that is rupees 5,500. Here you have to calculate profit percent or loss percent. And as you know, selling price is more than cost price, so it means it is a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So it is 5,500 minus 5,000. So it is rupees 500. And profit percent is profit upon CP multiply 100. CP means cost price. Profit is equal to 500 and cost price is 5,000. Multiply 100. Now cut zeros and it is 10. So the answer is 10%. So the publisher made a profit of 10% by selling books. Okay. Nalin purchased 30 dozen of eggs for rupees 48 per dozen, sold them all for rupees 1,728. Find his percent gain or loss. Okay, here we have he purchased 30 dozen of eggs for rupees 48 per dozen. So first we find the cost price. Cost price of 30 dozen of eggs. That is the cost price of 1 dozen egg is equivalent to 48. So 30 dozen is equivalent to 30 into 48. You multiply them and after multiplication you will get rupees 1440. And the selling price of 30 dozen eggs is given to you, that is selling price rupees 1,728 is given to you. Now which one is more? Selling price is more or cost price? Selling price is greater than cost price, so it means again a profit. So profit is selling price minus cost price is equal to 1,728 minus 1,440 and it is equivalent to rupees 288. Subtract them. Now you calculate profit percent. Profit percent is profit upon CP multiply 100. Profit is rupees 288. Cost price is rupees 1440 multiply 100. I'm cutting 10 here and 144 twos are this one. So it is 20%. So he got a profit of 20%. Now come to the module number 6. Fruit vendor bought a box of 120 oranges for rupees 240. He found 30 oranges were rotten and sold them the rest at rupees 2 each. Find the loss or profit percent. So the cost price of 120 oranges. Cost price is given to you, that is rupees 240. But he found 30 oranges were rotten. Yes. So how many oranges are left? So remaining oranges. Remaining oranges is equal to 120 minus 30 is equal to 90 oranges. So only 90 oranges were left. So the selling price of 90 oranges, because the cost of one orange is equivalent to 2, he sold one orange at the cost of rupees 2. So what is the cost of 90 oranges? We multiply them. So it is rupees 180. Now here we find, just see, selling price is 180 and cost price is 240. It means cost price is more than selling price. It means loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. It is 240 minus 180 and it is equivalent to rupees 60. So loss percent, same formula. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP multiply 100. Loss is equal to rupees 60 and cost price is rupees 240. Multiply 100. Cut zeros and it is 6 4s are 24, 6 10s are. Now cut them again. 2s are and it is 5 and this is again you cut 5. So it is 25%. Okay everyone. Now in the next module we use few new formulas. Whenever cost price and profit is given to you and you have to find selling price, then you use this formula. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, and selling price and profit is given to you and you have to find cost price, then you use second formula, that is CP is equal to SP minus profit. And the third one is whenever CP and loss is given to you, and to use the third formula. And the same if selling price and loss is given to you, then you use fourth formula. Okay, now continue the next topic. Come to the next module. In this module, Gaurav sold a camera for rupees 3,250. He made a profit of rupees 500. Find the cost price of the camera. So here selling prices, A part I am taking here. Selling price is size of a camera is given to you rupees 3,250. This is the selling price given to you of a camera. He made a profit of rupees 500. Now in this question you will have to calculate, you have to calculate cost price of a camera. So cost price of camera is equivalent to, as you know, the cost price is equivalent to, cost price is selling price minus profit. What is it? Selling price minus profit. So selling price is 3,250 minus 500. So this is equivalent to rupees 2,750. Only this much. So cost price of a camera is rupees 2,750. So this is the answer. Okay everyone. Next question is, Mridul bought 10 coconuts for rupees 130. What should be the selling price to make an overall profit of rupees 15. So it means the cost price of coconut is given to you, that is rupees 130. And what should be the selling price? So, and the profit is given to you. Profit is rupees 15. Okay. So here you have to calculate the selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. And the cost price is rupees 130 plus 50. So it is equivalent to rupees 145. So this is the profit. Okay everyone.